And now we're going to take our spotlights to the last set. Okay, so we say, what's maximum R? And we say the maximum R here is when theta is equal to 0, and that would be a R value of 3. And what's the minimum R in this case? Well, that would be when theta is equal to pi, so that cosine theta is equal to -1. The R value would be just 1. Now, other values of concern would be when it is pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Those are easy values. Well, cosine will be just 0 for those two theta values. So you have this. So what kind of shape is this? Well, let me draw this better. It's kind of hard to draw. Okay, something like this. Your calculator does a better job. But well, the shape here, it's called a dimpled limaçon. Okay, like you know how some people, when they smile, they got a dimple on their faces. Okay, dimpled limaçon. And why is it a dimple? Not a cardioid, not a cardioid or a loop inside the limaçon. Well, it's because, well, what's the minimum R value? Well, it's not 0, it's not negative, it's something positive. So that's how you know it's a dimpled limaçon. So that's the analytical lens that I want you to have. Look at the R value. Can you tell what's the biggest R, what's the smallest R? If you could tell what they are, then you can tell the shape pretty easily. And then over here, we say, well, what about this? 2 sine theta, 2 plus sine theta, sorry. Well, it is pi over, when theta is pi over 2, R is equal to 3. And when theta is 3 pi over 2, and R is equal to 1. And other values of interest would be when it is 0 and pi, or in that case, the R value would just be 2. So based on, whoops. Based on the graph, we'll say, well, the dimpled limaçon would be like this.